everyone, welcome back. We will make the googly eyes like this. So first, put the paper on the back and cut it like this. Now using the yellow color clay, we will make the shapes like this. Now we will stick its eyes, make their crown using the red color, make its beak, draw its legs, and your cute chicks are ready. I hope you liked it. For more such interesting videos, follow our page. Next, we will make a cute flower vase. So first, cut out the paper like this. Now using the blue color, take a paper and dab it like this to make the vase. Now draw the branches and flowers using the earbuds and the marker like this, and it's ready. Next, cut the fruit foam net like this and sprinkle it on the black sheet. Make a house using the earbuds, make a snowman near it, paste a tree, decorate it, and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Take a foam like this and tie it using a rubber band. Make its ears by tying it on the sides. Make its legs, stick its eyes, and your cute teddy bear is ready. Next, we will take a leaf like this and fold it in the front like this. Now spread it from the back to make its wings. And here we will decorate it and your butterflies are ready. Next, take a leaf and cut it like this and fix the paper. So here we are making an angel. Stick it. Now using the leaves, we will make its dress. Cut it like this and paste it. Now make its frock using the leaves. Paste it one by one. Make a fairy stick on her hand like this, and your cute angel is ready. I hope you liked it. For more such interesting videos, follow our page and let us know in the comment section whether you liked it or not. Next, we'll make an animal. For that, we will make its back by using the leaves. Paste them using the glue like this. Now we will make its body using a dry leaf. Now paste it after cutting it out. Stick its eyes. Draw its hands and legs like this. Make its mouth. Paste an apple near it, and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be taking the leaf like this and then cut it in the between. Fix the face of the mermaid like this. Now paste it on the black sheet using the glue like this. Now we will make its dress using a red color leaf. Fix it in the same manner as shown in the video. Make its lower body part like this using the leaves. Decorate its background, and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will make a leaf like this and cut it and paste it on the black sheet as shown in the video. Now, apply the glue and paste another leaf over it. Draw the dress like this. Now, using the red color, we will make the hairs of a girl. Now, make the hands and an umbrella on her hand using the leaf like this. Paste it, and it's ready. I hope you liked it. For more such interesting videos, follow our page. Next, take a red color leaf and cut it from the sides. Now cut it from the top and fix the body of a girl on it. Now paste it on the black sheet. Now we will cover it by making the dress of her using a yellow color leaf. Make its frock like this and paste them. Now we will make a beautiful frock like this. Now decorate its background and your fairy is ready. Thanks for watching our video.